Broncos. My name's Steve Rosenthal, and I'm the president of the Santa Clara Valley chapter of the California Native Plant Society. I have a couple of restorations here, and I'd be delighted if you could come and join us. We'll learn a little bit about plants and habitat. We control weeds, we plant natives. We do our work at a place called Inspiration Point. So a couple of years ago, this area was just covered with thistle. Invasive plants were everywhere. When you go up there now, you'll see that it is in really pretty good shape. We've planted a bunch of natives, and we've gathered the seed from around the park, so it's all locally native stuff, which means we're bringing back what used to be here 100 years ago. So come join me, have some fun, and learn a bit about the environment and native plants, and make a difference.